Hacienda, Rivet here. Today we're going to make something delicious. We're going to try to recreate Mrs. Rivet's fried round steaks. I asked her to go ahead and make these and be featured in the movie, and she politely declined. So I'm going to try to recreate them. Hers are absolutely marvelous. They have her just beautiful touch. Let's see if I can do this as well. Very simple ingredients: seasoned salt, black pepper, flour, which is not in the camera, canola oil, and what we've got here is about 5 pounds of round steaks. Okay, so stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, first thing we're going to do is season the beef very nicely. I've got 2 steaks here, the third one's in a pan over there. We want to generously season them. We have here Lawry's seasoned salt, really beautiful stuff. Okay, we want to be generous because the flour is going to eat up some of the level of spice. Then we want to hit it real good with coarse ground black pepper as well. And with this stuff, you can't have too much because it's going to be good. Alright, now that we got the beef seasoned, you can see how round steaks have that seam of the sinew there. We want to cut up the meat along those lines, the seams, okay? You can cut that off, the gristle, if you want. I don't mind it. I like the chewiness, so I'm going to leave it on. Alright, so once you got the meat separated like that, we're going to start cutting it into bite-sized pieces, like so. Okay? And I'm not going to bore you with all this. We'll just fast forward to the end. Now here's Mrs. Rivet's secret. We've gone ahead and redusted the meat with pepper and seasoned salt after we've cut it, and she just dredges it in plain old flour, just like that. No need to waste any more seasoning on the flour, and she does not like the egg wash thing, so we're just going to dredge them. Okay, so we got the canola oil heated, and we've got our meat dredged, and we're going to put them in there and fry them. We got about 1/4 inch, maybe 1/3 of an inch of canola oil in there. Now here's her secret. We are not going to cook these babies all the way through. We're just going to brown them, okay? And once they're browned on both sides, we're going to take them out and put them in a roasting pan, and we finish cooking them in the oven. Okay, once they're lightly brown like that, I'd say about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes per side, we flip them over. And once this side's done, we're going to take them and put them on this. Alright, now that we got the pan full like this, it goes into a 350-degree preheated oven for exactly 20 minutes. Alright, tray number 1, hot out of the oven. Look at this golden brown deliciousness. Oh, yum. Let's get a closer shot in here. Mrs. Rivet's round steak. Deliciousness on a platter. Thanks for watching, people. Bye-bye.